Welcome, Prerna, and welcome, Mr. Singh. It is nice to be with you this morning. Okay, Prerna, kindly
Yes.
take me through what really, tell me what really happened. When did this, commercial started running?
So we got this commercial scene in the Star Sports when the this cricket trophy was going on in the mid of the February. I think 11th or 12th February of last month. This commercial was shown on the Star Sports. So one of the our group member, we have our corporate road safety group there in WhatsApp. So one of the group member is a very fond of this cricket. So he has seen that advertisement during the match. So he shared that with us on our WhatsApp group, and then his son also told him that look how they are showing this and he has a younger son. तो वो बहुत खुश हो रहा था उसको देख के. तो फादर थिंक दैट कि ये तो बहुत ही डेंजरस एड है और ये एक यंगर जो बच्चे हैं उस पे कितना इम्पैक्ट डाल रहा है इस तरह का. एंड दे आर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन जो कि बाइक्स चलाते हैं हिंदुस्तान में, और वही स्पोर्ट्स में वो इस तरह के स्टंट्स रोड पे करते भी हैं बिकॉज उसको देख करके. So he shared that story with us on that WhatsApp group, and he shared that clips of that advertisement from the, he took a picture from TV only. And then we thought that it's not gonna work because that was the road safety month was going on in that time. And before that, our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, has appealed to everyone कि आप आइए. मन की बात में उन्होंने बोला भी था कि भाई आप रोड सेफ्टी को फॉलो करिए, सभी का स्टेक होल्डर्स की जिम्मेदारी है. एंड बजाज इज द इंडियन कंपनी और सबसे ज्यादा बाइक्स उसके रोड्स पे चलते हैं, लोग उसको खरीदते हैं. तो इट इज नॉट एक्ट विच इज सीम टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फ्रॉम सच एन रेनाउंड कंपनी जिसका इतना स्टेक होल्ड है बाजार के अंदर. So we thought we should, complain to the Advertisement Standard Council that it is not going to work and it is directly impacting on our younger generation. Like if this has happened in our own home, our own kids are looking that, and they are appreciating that without thinking that this is not going to be a safe practice. So we actually approached to the Advertising Standard Council of India through website, और उनका जो ट्विटर है, उनका व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट भी है, और हमारे साथ हरप्रीत जी तो जुड़े हुए ही हैं, बाकी कुछ और लोग भी थे विच सपोर्टेड आवर ट्वीट्स, रीट्वीट्स किए गए, उनको वापस से मेल्स किए गए. तो एक जॉइंट एफर्ट हमने वी डिड दैट. एंड आई थैंक टू एएसआई कि उन्होंने जो प्रॉब्लम थी इसको समझा, एंड दे अपहेल्ड द डिसीजन एंड दे आस्क्ड देम टू बैन द और रिमूव
Yeah,
द
yeah.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट बाय
Acha,
30th.
Mr. Singh, tell me, how did you get involved in this? I know Prerna, but this is the first time I meet you. Doesn't matter. Tell me. I understand that you run an NGO. Yeah, please, give a little brief about your
Yes, actually,
NGO. Yeah, please go ahead.
yes, we are based in Punjab. My NGO is a wide accident. We are working together with Prerna and all. We have a lot of friends in pan India. We can say that now it's not working in alone and a single NGO. It's a teamwork everywhere. We are working now.
Ah,
So we are working with on this issue also. But it is a Prerna who give birth to this idea that we should knock the door of ASICI. So that's why we are also keeping a tab on this. Once the Prerna uploaded on the tweet, this is the stupid ad. We can say that it is a kind of stupid ad on the Twitter. So we also raised a concern. We also notified this complaint. Even what they are going on, they just simply write a caution line. These stunts are performed under a controlled environment and under the training of experts. Please do not do this.
yeah.
How this make ensure that the young people will follow this small letters caution and
Yeah,
ignoring the
disclaimer.
stunt
Yeah,
mail.
I read
So
the
this is
disclaimer at
just
the bottom of the advertisement.
keeping
Yeah,
making people fool.
yeah.
Yes, we are just making people fool. So that's why this time raise this concern out. Kindly do action against this ad. Even don't consider the caution line also. So this time they took a strong action.
Yeah, Prerna, tell me, I don't think this is the first time you're taking up this kind of a violation of road safety norms. You would have done it earlier also. Can you throw some light on your past actions, past, drives in this regard?
Yes, we actually had succeeded to ban one Virat Kohli ad in 2017 or 18 also.
Ah,
That time, I think Hero or TVS as Mr. Virat Kohli was there, and we did that, and that was also a dangerous advertisement, and ASI also banned that. But after that, that company has not, developed such kind of advertisement. But the Bajaj Pulsar has the history of, doing all these kind of stunt advertisement only. And this time also, again, after getting so much complaints, they still are doing the same thing. And if you've gone through the their response in this email only, when you gone through that is response, the thing they have defended, that they are showing their engine power by showing this kind of creativity. I don't know how they are related with the person driving Shirshasan on the bike, and their engine capacity is doing that. I don't know what kind of people they have and what kind of they have idea to develop such kind of creative advertisement, like they said that. And this depicts the dangerous situation to the younger generation and all the road users. And
yeah,
I'm really thankful that ASI has mentioned that despite your all this idea, it's really dangerous.
yeah, Mr. Singh, tell me, like I read the response from ASCI. It says that they're given time till 30th of March to take it off. Do they? I mean, are you okay with this kind of a thing? Like another 15 days, the same. The 15 days, the same commercial running. Is it very difficult to take it off immediately? Okay.
No,
I
no,
mean, what
actually,
about this? March 30th
what
deadline.
I feel, what I feel is they should immediately stop it, and they
Uh,
can give them the 15 days to edit or remove it and then put up to the ASI. They should immediately stop it. I do feel so.
yeah. Prerna. I mean, what was
Yes.
your experience in the earlier, earlier time when you took up the issues of this nature? How did the companies? How did like your hero react? They also got say around 15-20 days time before they really changed it.
Yeah, no, for Hero, actually, I think they stopped immediately. And after that, actually, they didn't modify it also. They removed that advertisement from there. That is shown their responsibility, that of course they have done something wrong, but after opposing or getting this response, they removed that. And for Bajaj also, I think they are gonna remove, because after this receiving this mail, I have searched on the YouTube. Haven't find this because you were asking me to send you the link. So I searched on this advertisement, but I couldn't find out. I don't know, maybe it's there or not, but I think they have removed that. And for 30th March, I think the time they have given, ASI given to them to either modify it if they want to, and they can restart that if they modify. But I don't think so. There's a scope of modification with this advertisement, because it's from entire situation. It is a totally dangerous stunt they are showing.
Is it still running? The commercial is still running.
No, on TV I haven't seen, and I think no one has seen that. I don't think so. It is running right now,
So there
and
is
I have
some
not
amount.
seen in the
See,
YouTube also.
oh, so there is some amount of corporate responsibility when somebody points out, well, a listed company
Yeah.
talks of ethics and all those things, they would have taken it off.
Yes.
Acha, tell me,
Yes.
Prerna. I mean, apart from like a motorcycle companies, even the car companies might be doing this kind of like very dangerous commercials. Have you come across and taken up issues on from the road safety angle?
Some of them have shown about the speeding sometimes, but they are not very dangerous. Though we have complained to the honorable Supreme Court Committee on Road Safety and to the SIAM and manufacturers, and they are making some sensible advertisements. If you have gone through the Mahindra and CA tires and Audi, they are developing very good advertisements by showing the some of them have shown about the good Samaritan guidelines also. So there's a way, if companies really want to depict something through their vehicle, they can go to the safety practices as well. It is just a thought what you exactly want to depict. So there's so many companies are coming forward, even in the two-wheeler and four-wheeler, who are actually getting safety practices and showing people about the safety norms. So this has to be changed.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes,
Mr. Singh.
I just want to add one thing over here. Why the crashes and the fatality number are not reducing in India? Bajaj is a big company. They are
Yes.
making spending a huge amount on advertisement. But this ad shows what is the responsibility toward the road safety in the company. How can they make somebody with the head downside and legs upside and showing the engine power? I think it's showing their brain power, how less it is regarding to the road safety.
That is, that is
It's a
what I
huge
mentioned,
thing.
that I am just so
Such
confused
big,
how they
huge,
making that.
huge people, huge companies, they should be little bit responsible. I am very much
Yes.
shocked for this
Not
explanation.
little bit, they have to responsible when it concerned to the safety of the people. They are their
Yes.
consumers. They are, they get money from
If-
those consumers
Why
only.
every time we are cursing the people, the youth is speeding, the roads are not good, the other things are not good, but nobody is saying what is the role of the corporate. They have the equal responsibility. If they are doing such way, so how we can blame the youth? Every time we cannot blame the youth. Yes, you are doing this thing, this thing. They are instigated to do these things. No? So why should not we nip the evil in the bud? No? That should be done in the properly. I think corporate should come to take the responsibility.
Acha, tell me,
Why
tell
every
me,
time we NGO have to come forward? Every time we NGO come forward, no? They should take a responsibility that we will not do such things.
yeah,
And
Prerna, tell me,
one, I want to add that,
Prerna, tell me, see,
yes,
okay, one, the corporates to promote their product has come out with this kind of an advertisement. Okay, I mean, yes, okay. What about the role of the television companies or the media which really runs it? Don't they have some kind of a mechanism, self-regulation? What is good, what is not good, what is advisable, what is not advisable? Okay, don't they have any kind of guidelines or self-regulation? Though I mean,
that
you should
I
also
was
take it up
coming
with
on
the
that
media
only.
companies. Yeah,
Yes, I was
Prerna.
coming on that only, Rameshji, because this now after this, because I did for the Virat Kohli ad, and I'm again doing this for Bajaj Pulsar. This is not the thing that every time they show, they put through this kind of advertisement, and then again we have to go and do the same exercise. So what we are thinking now to make, because we were just waiting for the decision of ASI for this advertisement, and now after this advertisement, actually we are gonna pursue the responsible authorities. Even in this mail, they have asked us to go to the Ministry of Broadcast and Information so that they can develop this kind of proper guidelines with all the related concerned stakeholders, including the television, news channels and advertisement companies and this corporates. So I'm gonna not stop here. I'm gonna go forward and actually wanna develop. Not only ASI is not a tooth kind of agency. They only can control or do something, but Ministry of Broadcast and Information is the government of India. They have all the powers. They should stop this. So I'm gonna forward and taking this action to the Ministry of Broadcasting, and whatever you are asking is we're gonna do ensure that they should have this kind of guidelines, proper guidelines with all the related stakeholders, so that it can be stopped immediately.
अरे ओ साहबा, कोरोना वायरस से बचने के कितने उपाय रे? सरदार 3। अरे साहबा, डरो मत रे, बोलो बोलो। सरदार, पहला है लोगों से दूरी बनाए रखना, बार बार साबुन से हाथ धोना या सैनिटाइज करना, और सबसे जरूरी है घर पे रहना।
अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें स्टेट हेल्पलाइन या 24 घंटे वाली नेशनल हेल्पलाइन टोल फ्री नंबर 1075.
What do you, I mean, both of you are all in the road safety, advocates or warriors. Okay, for more than decade, definitely more than 2 decades, if not less. Tell me, what is the progress in terms of really, tackling the issue of reducing the, accidents on the highways and reduce the, fatalities on the highway? Have we really progressed? I mean, talking about halving, reducing it by 50%, it's all fine. Going and signing a Brazil declaration or going to whichever part of the world and saying that हम भी करेंगे, भारत देश भी करेंगे, वो सब बोलने में बात अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन actually जमीन में काम होता है कि नहीं होता है? See, other question related to this. See, transport is a state subject. See, a central government can actually put out all kinds of notifications, create the formula. Okay, but at the end of it, the regulation has to happen at the state level. So, whose responsibility it is to really ensure that such things do not happen. Yeah, over to you.
बिल्कुल डेफिनेटली रमेश जी एक्चुअली इंडिया इज अ वेरी वास्ट कंट्री ऑफ कोर्स विद द डिफरेंट डाइवर्सिटी एंड विद सो मच पॉपुलेशन एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव सेड दैट ट्रांसपोर्ट इज अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल नहीं है दे ओनली आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर डेवलपिंग द पॉलिसीज एंड एक्ट्स एंड लाइक दैट बट मैं आपको बीइंग इन बिकॉज मैं आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम 2003 डेडिकेटेडली इन रोड सेफ्टी ओनली एंड वर्किंग विद द ग्लोबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एज वेल so I can say that I am not, disappointed. I am a very, very forward looking कि इंडिया ने बहुत vast progress किया है after even despite we have so many problems in our country क्योंकि अगर आप देखेंगे तो जो decade of action का अगर हम target पे बात ना करें कि 50% हमने वो death reduce नहीं किया है but उसके जो बाकी के aspects है on that we actually succeeded. आप पहले before 2015 road safety किसी भी development goals में शामिल ही नहीं था and you very much understand कि government की जो policies बनती है वो development goals के आधार पे ही वो लोग सारी policies schemes बनाते हैं. So in 2015 during this first decade of action United Nations actually put the road safety in the sustainable development goals. अभी SDG में road safety का goal आ गया जो सस्टेनेबल जो आपका मोबिलिटी है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसको भी डाल दिया एनवायरमेंट में पोल्यूशन के ऊपर भी उस पे भी बात हम एसडीजी में कर रहे हैं तो वो उससे क्या हुआ है कि वो अभी गवर्नमेंट का एक निटिंग एरिया में आ गया अभी चाहे वो स्टेट हो चाहे नेशनल हो दे ऑल हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट तो वो एक बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस है हमारा जो पिछले कई सालों से कुछ था ही नहीं उसके ऊपर एंड आफ्टर 2015 इफ यू सी इन 2020 इंडिया जैसे देश में हमारे पास स्टेट पे एक डेडिकेटेड रोड सेफ्टी सेल बन गया है टू डू दी वो ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट कमेटी बनाया इसीलिए गया था कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर सकता डायरेक्टली इंटरवीन तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कमेटी के थ्रू वो लोग रेगुलर मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं एंड आई एम वर्किंग विद राजस्थान झारखंड एंड हरप्रीत इज डूइंग इन पंजाब and we do have some other fellows in other states also and it is universally we are seeing that now every state has road safety council उनके पास उनका फंड बन गया है उस फंड को खर्च करने के लिए उनके पास एक एक्शन प्लान बन गया है एंड इवन डाउन द लाइन उन्होंने एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे भी उनके पास कमिटीज बन गए हैं स्ट्रेंथन मतलब एक इंस्टीट्यूशन प्रॉपर स्ट्रेंथन तो हो गया कम से कम 5 साल में उससे पहले तो था ही नहीं कि किसको बात करे जाकर के पुलिस के पास जाए कि ट्रांसपोर्ट के पास जाए कि रोड अथॉरिटी के पास जाए कि हेल्थ के पास जाए अभी कम से कम हमको पता है कि वी हैव टू गो टू द रोड सेफ्टी सेल वहां पे हमको सारे लोग मिलेंगे और उनसे हम बात कर सकते हैं एंड नाउ यू इन 5 years यू हैव सीन द कॉर्पोरेट हैज कम बिफोर दैट यू मस्ट हैव अवेयर आप तो कॉर्पोरेट के साथ काम करते हैं कितने गिने चुने कॉर्पोरेट सभी फिक्की का है एसोचएम का है सीआईआई का है सब लोग उस पर काम कर रहे हैं तो नाउ थिंग्स और मीडिया कितना अवेयर हो गया है पीपल एक्चुअली नो कि अभी सिर्फ है ना कितने एक्सीडेंट हुए कितनी डेथ हुई वो नहीं है वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पेडेस्ट्रियन सेफ्टी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टू व्हीलर सेफ्टी हेलमेट पे सीट बेल्ट पे कितने सारे कैंपेन्स हो रहे हैं हेलमेट की जो सब स्टैंडर्ड है उसको बैन कर दिया गया है और जून से हम उस पे काम करेंगे वो बाजार में मिलेगा ही नहीं तो इफ यू एंड पोस्ट ट्रॉमा मैनेजमेंट में गुड समैरिटियन गाइडलाइंस इज द वेरी रिकमेंडेबल थिंग वी हैव नाउ मेरे को 15 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है मुझे पता है कि हाईवे पे लोग मदद नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि वो डरते हैं पुलिस और सच में बहुत सारे लोगों का हरासमेंट भी होता है ऑन द रोड जो लोग हाईवे पे ही रहते हैं वो बहुत हरास्ड होते हैं उनको गवाहियां देने के लिए जाना पड़ता है तो ये गुड समैरिटियन उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा टूल है हमें अभी और काम करना है बहुत थोड़ा सा रिजल्ट मिला है बट एटलीस्ट मिला है तो हम वी आर ऑन द राइट डायरेक्शन
यस मिस्टर सिंह
I want to add over here, after all these things, what Prerna have told, the main thing is the attitude, the approach has changed. Now we people on the ground level, whatever, maybe we NGO, maybe a police constable, maybe a RTA people, everybody is doing such work which can be evaluated or monitored. Yes. Everybody is looking for the campaign that they can show that what was earlier and what has been changed after that campaign. This is happening in the ground level. This is a wonderful thing. When we do result-oriented things, then things will certainly change. And this is a really good news. The approach has been changed right from the down to the up side. So we will be successful.
Good, nice to hear this such positive sentiment. Acha, Mr. Singh, I was in Punjab recently. Pathankot, Jalandhar, I was there, and I was mostly traveling in the night, and I found plenty of trucks were all having very dazzling, disco type tail lights. In fact, I spoke to Prerna also. I spoke to Mr. Manmohan Luthra also. Okay, and since you are from Punjab and you are talking about a lot of things happening, well, Prerna herself told that implementation is the
मेरी आवाज
key
सही है,
challenge.
बाकी सबकी
See, आप
कैसी है?
जितना भी कानून बनाएंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, जितना बना लीजिए, लेकिन अगर कोई मॉनिटर करने के लिए कोई नहीं है, आरटीओ सही तरह से चेक नहीं करता है, ये तो चलता रहेगा ना. Yes, Mr. Singh, what is your take?
Implementation, it's a little bit difficult. It will take time because we experience from these things. It takes time. It really takes time. But the scenario is really changing. Certainly for the Punjab, I can assure you that within couple of years, within 2 or 3 years, Punjab will be leading state in the road safety. It will be an exemplary state. A lot of things are being done in the background. Soon everything will be coming out. Like the concern you told me, the huge trucks and their tail lights, we are working on that. But even the state transport principal secretary has constituted a committee to look after the heavy vehicles tail lights, especially to work on that. So we are putting with the Punjab Roadways, PRTC, PANBAS, and everything. We are working on that. We should improve this back. The tail lights of the heavy vehicles, all with that petroleum trucks also. So we are working then. Very soon we will come back with what's happening.
Yeah, Mr. Singh, again, related to Punjab, I was in Jalandhar, possibly for a 10-day, interaction with the truck drivers of IOC, terminal. Okay, so one of the things during the course of interaction, we found that there are no proper driver training schools, in Punjab. That's what I hear. Can you just throw some light on? I'm talking about the truck driving.
Actually,
Is there
earlier
any truck
it was
driving
not, but
school
now,
in Punjab?
yes, it was earlier not, but now in the recent budget, in the recent last month, the CM has approved one big institute for the driver training in the Mahuana.
Where?
Going up.
Where
Yes.
is it going to come up?
It is, I think, I don't know exactly the name, but it is something in Bathinda district, I think. It is coming up. I will give you the detail, but right now I don't know. But it has been passed by the cabinet. It has been passed by the cabinet. Big institute for the road safety driver training has been sanctioned by the government.
See, look, Mr. Singh. See, the moment you talk about trucks in India, lorries in India, the only image immediately comes to my mind is the Sardarji drivers. Okay, today unless I travel in Punjab, I rarely get to see, a Punjabi Sardarji drivers. Okay, but by the way, before one thing I must tell you, the roads in Punjab are superb. Nothing to beat. I have seen these kind of roads only in Tamil Nadu. Okay, otherwise I never seen. Okay, but Punjab roads are excellent. But I'm considering the fact that Punjab has given so many drivers to the country. I'm really surprised that till today it doesn't have a driver training school there. चाचा से सीखते हैं, नहीं तो पापा से सीखते हैं, नहीं तो पड़ोसी से सीखते हैं, कोई स्कूल में जाकर नहीं पढ़ते हैं ये लोग.
But you will find a change also. You will find now very less driver being Sardar. You will find very less. It has been taken by UP and Bihar people.
Because Sardar drivers are given space. They moved out. Either they moved to Canada or moved out of country.
Yes. I was supposed to say that now they are moved to Canada and they are doing there.
They are making a job in Canada and UK. So very people are in this driving. So now working. Punjab is working a lot of things for this road safety and training on the drivers, particularly licensing system, smart traffic light system, technology based. Even so many things have been happening.
Okay. Any final word, Prerna?
I just want to convey the message through you to the corporate companies that they are the responsible, organizations. They consumers are their brand managers actually, and they should do some responsible advertisement thing before directly delivering, because we don't like to ban such advertisement because they spend crores of rupees on these advertisement, and we don't want to make lose of any money. So before that, doing that, they are not aliens, they are living in the same world, same country, they are driving on the same roads. They must be aware that what they want to showcase to the people, that should be taken considered by the all corporates and their advertisement companies. That is my final word. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Singh, your final words, final comments.
Sir, same. I would like to say only. I would like to request the corporate. They should come with to replace such ad with such good ads which promote road safety also. Even they want to promote their product, they can do it. But there should be no caution line. There should be a road safety message also. Don't drive without helmet. Don't drive without seat belt. Keep your slow down. All such messages should be part of their advertisement. So we will highly appreciate them.
Yeah, I mean, my final word is this: since we are talking about the corporates, look, one thing, I traveled right across the country over the last, like 10, 12 years. Okay, so I found, you see, all this road safety promotion, all this exercise happens only in the cities. Okay, no corporate is, really concerned about what happens, outside the urban areas. Okay, is it? I mean, what could be the reason? See, my own surmise is that, look, like when you do all this kind of activities in the city or suburban areas, well, you get a media publicity. Okay, if you do somewhere in, like a rural areas, nobody notices, and they don't get the bug. Okay, kick for the bug. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Singh. Why this neglect of rural areas? No corporate activity happening in rural areas. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Because if we talk about in our for the particular in Punjab area, because we are based on not an industrial state, we are based on the agriculture. So that's why we have a less attention of the corporates in the rural area. But for the government and other agencies, rural area we are focusing on. If as you have seen the infrastructure in the state of Punjab, it's very widely connected with the village and all these things. But rural area, we have less efforts done in that sector for the promotion of the road safety also. We do only work for this, especially for the season of the agriculture, we do work for the tractor and trolleys and all these, educating them and making the trolleys visible at the rear end, and also the overloading. We're working for that.
Yeah, Prerna, about this neglect of rural areas.
You rightly said कि जो पूरा का पूरा कॉर्पोरेट का काम है ना, वो ब्रांडिंग के ऊपर है. उनको ब्रांड चाहिए, उनको नंबर चाहिए, उनको मीडिया में नाम चाहिए. वो तीनों चीजें उनको गांवों में नहीं मिलती है, टू बी वेरी फ्रेंकली स्पीकिंग. उनको और फिर उनको गांवों तक, उनकी खुद की टीम जो है वो गांवों तक नहीं पहुंचना चाहती, क्योंकि वो जो उनके लोग हैं वो भी शहरों में अच्छी कारों में घूमते हैं, तो खुद का भी अपना एक स्टेटस होता है. वो गांवों में उनको वो फैसिलिटीज नहीं मिल सकती जो उन्हें अर्बन एरिया में मिलती हैं. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का भी प्रॉब्लम होता है गांवों में. आपको अगर अनाउंस करना है, माइक्स लगाने हैं, तो वो भी बहुत सारी जो लॉजिस्टिक प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, दे आल्सो फेस दैट आल्सो. तो एक बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो रिलेट करती हैं उन चीजों को, और उनके लिए इजी होता है शहरों में ही करना, और उतनी ही उससे ज्यादा ब्रांडिंग भी मिल जाती है और उनका काम भी हो जाता है. गाँवों में तो लोग वैसे भी खरीद ही लेते हैं टीवी पे कमर्शियल्स देख करके, तो उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि क्यों जाया जाए उनके पास और उनको बताया जाए. तो दैट इज, आई थिंक, मेरा जो पर्सपेक्टिव है वो ये है.
चलो, थैंक यू प्रेरणा, थैंक यू मिसेस सिंह.